Hello and welcome to Shopify Store Dropshipping to understand beginners to experts. Today we are going to add banner section after under the header in our store. So for this you have to click on add section here and then search for image banners. Once you click on it, you will see this thing here under your header. So make it like you can edit the heading. Beauty palace, and then you can click on description here, get your best scene and nappies here, and then you can click on buttons and then button label, show scene, and then you can add some collections from your collection there, and then you can give second button. You can make it show box, and then you can give a link to your collection card jewelry box here. Now your listing is ready. Now we will be clicking on image banner here, and we'll be selecting our first image as a change, this one, and then after this we'll be selecting second image as we'll select box here. It will be uploaded. It takes 2 seconds. Once it's uploaded, you will see a preview here on your store like this, and then you can make it more customizations here, banner height, medium, large, like this. So we'll be sticking with medium, and then we see desktop content position. This thing should be at bottom center like this, or you can make it middle left here, or you can make it middle center. You can also make it top left, top center. Okay, we'll be making it bottom center, right? And then you can make content alignment, color scheme, mobile layout. For mobile variant, you will see it will look like this. We're coming back left, center, show images on stack images on mobile like this, or you want to make it like this, 2 images. I think this will be fine. So we're going back into desktop version here. Don't forget to click save. Now our banner section is ready. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.